And as the nation remembers Justice Ginsburg, more than 100 of her former law clerks were in Washington this week to pay their respects.
CBS 2's Nick Caloway spoke to one of them, who now holds a big position in the New Jersey Division of Civil Rights.
When Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg arrived at the Supreme Court for the final time Wednesday, she was not alone. An army of her current and former law clerks lined the steps as honorary pallbearers, paying respect to a woman they revered. Rachel Weiner-Apter was one of them.
It was heartbreaking because we lost a national hero, but it was beautiful being able to watch so many different people of all genders, ages, races, religions come to say their goodbye.
Weiner-Apter clerked with Justice Ginsburg from 2011 to 2012. She's now the director of the New Jersey Division on Civil Rights. When it was her turn to stand vigil for the justice, she was inspired.
I saw people praying, crying, and saluting. I saw a woman wearing a hijab talking to a woman wearing a homemade T-shirt that read, "We will fight on, and we will."
Justice Ginsburg was a legal giant and a fierce champion of equality, but she still made time to be a mentor to those who worked by her side, treating those lucky few who clerked for her like family.
The justice sat with me for hours when I would come back to visit in the years after I finished clerking. She spent time with all three of my children. She was always there when I needed career advice or life advice.
As Justice Ginsburg became the first woman to lie in state at the United States Capitol Friday, the tireless advocate can finally rest. But her achievements and her legacy will live on. Nick Caloway, CBS 2 News.
120 current and former law clerks traveled to Washington to take part on Wednesday, ushering Justice Ginsburg's casket back to the Supreme Court for the last time.
It spoke volumes.
It really did.